In this video, I'm going to show you how to double crochet 5 together, abbreviated dc5tog, otherwise known as a bobble stitch. So you're going to start off by doing what you normally would do to make a double crochet stitch, which is yarning over. Now you insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull that through the stitch. So now you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again and pull it through only the first 2 loops of your hook. And now here's where it's starting to be different from a normal double crochet stitch. That was what counts as double crochet stitch number 1 of the 5 that you're going to do together. You have 2 loops left on your hook. So you're going to yarn over and you're actually going to put your hook in exactly the same stitch. Yarn over and pull it through again. Yarn over and pull it through just the first 2 loops on your hook. So now you've got 3 loops on your hook and you've completed 2 double crochet stitches in this DC5 together. So we're going to do a 3rd double crochet, or partial double crochet I would say. And we're going to do a 4th one. And here's the 5th one. Yarning over, put it through the stitch, yarn over, pull it through. Yarn over again and pull it through yet again, only the first 2 loops on the hook. So once you have done all 5 of those partial double crochet stitches, you should have 6 loops on your hook. And then to crochet them all together, you're going to yarn over and bring that yarn through all 6 loops that are on your hook. And in amigurumi, or crochet stuffed toys, the bobble stitch is often used for little embellishments like nostrils on a snout and so on. So when you move on to the next stitch, I'm just going to single crochet in the next stitch to show you the way that a bobble stitch will, or the fact that a bobble stitch can poof out in different ways. Let me just crochet one more to make it a little secure here. Alright, so as you can see, we've got a little lump where the bobble stitch is, and I just wanted to point out to you that the bobble stitch can go in either direction, and just pay attention to which way the bobble is supposed to be pointing out when you're crocheting.